This 2010 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 has 5,567 miles and is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter LS9 V8 paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Finished in Velocity Yellow, which is paint code WA300N, over ebony leather upholstery, the car is equipped with a 3ZR Performance Equipment Group. The supercharged and intercooled 6.2-liter LS9 V8 features a dry sump lubrication system and was factory rated at 638 horsepower and 604 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox and limited slip differential. The C6 features a hydroformed aluminum chassis paired with composite carbon fiber bodywork. The car is finished in Velocity Yellow with carbon fiber accents, features xenon headlights, an exposed carbon fiber roof, a transparent engine cover, and polished quad exhaust outlets. Staggered-diameter 19 and 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels are mounted with Michelin tires. The car is equipped with magnetic ride control, and braking is handled by Brembo ceramic-composite discs at all 4 corners. The cabin houses power-adjustable bucket seats upholstered in ebony leather, along with color-coordinated dashboard, center console, door panels, and carpets. The 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel frames a 220-mile-per-hour speedometer and a tachometer with a 6,500 RPM redline, as well as gauges for oil pressure, coolant temperature, boost, and fuel level. The car was optioned with the 3ZR Premium Equipment Group. This added heated seats with position memory settings for the driver, along with a power-adjustable steering column, steering wheel audio controls, and a Bose sound system. Additional amenities include keyless access, a Kenwood head unit, a push-button start, heads-up display, cruise control, and automatic climate control. This 2010 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is a potent American supercar with a luxurious interior that delivers both thrilling performance and comfortable driving dynamics. For more information, contact LRA today at 215-781-3790 or email us at sales@lrasales.com.